Yeah, I knew from a young age that I wanted to get into something to do with the human body. And growing up, I was technically what you would consider obese until I was in my early 20s.
Ooh.
Yeah, and it was like it was just difficult. And so after, a long time, a little bit of education and a lot of like support from my friends, I ended up just kind of slowly but surely losing weight, losing weight, losing weight, losing weight, and kind of learning different aspects of fitness throughout that weight loss journey, learning how to burn fat, build muscle, and just kind of getting the basics down of what to do for myself. And then one day, I kind of had a thought dawn on me. What if I could help other people achieve the same thing? Because I've been through it. I understand what they're going through mentally. I understand the struggle of, plateauing or not necessarily seeing the results that you want on the scale, but knowing deep down that you did the right thing throughout that process. And so I wanted to help people understand the process while they're going through it.